This is episode 2 in my Vintage Home Modern Makeover series. In this video, I'm sharing how I came up with my home renovation plan. Even if you plan to hire one general contractor to handle everything, it's really up to the homeowner to decide the scope of the home renovation. Creating a plan will help you make important decisions, stay organized, and keep everything on track. Step 1, the home inspection report. The first step in creating my plan was to hire a professional home inspection company to inspect the home and create a report. A home inspection report costs a few $100s or so. It's worth every penny because home inspectors give you an unbiased, detailed list of everything they find wrong with the house. And here's why I trust it. Inspectors don't actually do the repairs themselves, so they have no incentive to find extra problems. Their only job is to give you the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly, backed up with photos and clear descriptions. They also mark priority items such as safety hazards so you know what needs to be addressed first. The report also tells you which specialist to call, whether that's a plumber, an electrician, or a general contractor. Step number 2, turning the report into a plan. Once I received the inspection report, I went through it line by line. I noted every safety item first. Those were non-negotiable. But because the house had a lot of deferred maintenance, the long list was expected. This 1968 home project was a large-scale home renovation, not a minor weekend project. Step number 3, demo and abatement planning. To get my plan together for the home renovation project, I made a main big picture list of everything that needed to be done, and then a special detailed list just for demolition and abatement. I chose to have a professional abatement company to demo not only the asbestos-related items, but also items that did not have asbestos, such as removing the bathroom vanities, the kitchen cabinets, and the kitchen appliances. Every single thing I wanted in the demo and abatement was written down into the demo and abatement plan. And then I copy and pasted everything word for word into the abatement company's contract. Why? Creating the list for myself ensured that I had everything covered, and then putting it in the contract ensured that nothing would be forgotten. And if it was, it would have to be addressed before final payment. As a general contractor said to me, you want to do demo once, not forget something and have to go back to it later. It saves both time and money to do everything at the same time. I spent a lot of time on the demo and abatement list and made sure I had everything included before the final signed contract and the start of the work. It turned out well. When the company sent me photos of the progress inside, I could check it against my list to make sure everything was addressed. One small area was not, so I was able to remind them to take care of it. That's why they sent me the photos anyway, so I could double check. And they took care of it and all was well. This is how I made my home renovation plan. I'm not an expert in construction or home renovation by any means, but for me it was common sense to create a written plan. It's a basic need to keep everything organized and on track during this project. Stay tuned for the next episode in this home renovation series. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see this 1968 house transform one step at a time.